सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम अमन यादव है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं ब का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष नव वर्ष 2021 पर एक व्याख्यान सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। नव वर्ष 2021 नव वर्ष भारत में ग्रेगोरी कैलेंडर के अनुसार 1 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है। यह दिन विश्व में हर किसी के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण अवसर से भरा होता है। भारत के साथ साथ विश्व के सभी देश नए साल के शुरुआत पर जश्न मनाते हैं और अपने प्रियजनों के साथ मिलकर इस दिन का मजा उठाते हैं। लोग नए साल के पहले दिन सुबह सुबह मंदिर जाते हैं। भगवान से यह कामना करते हैं कि भगवान हमारा यह साल बहुत अच्छा जाए। लोग नए साल पर गाना गाते हैं, नाचते हैं, तरह तरह के खेल खेलते हैं, पार्टियां करते हैं, फिल्में देखने जाते हैं आदि। हम ईश्वर से यह कामना करते हैं कि नव वर्ष 2021 में हमें मुश्किलों का सामना न करना पड़े तथा कोरोना जैसी बीमारी का रोकथाम हो जाए। जिस प्रकार वर्ष 2020 में स्कूल, दफ्तर आदि बंद रहे, इन सब से देश पर बहुत भयानक प्रभाव पड़ा। भारत में कोरोना से बहुत मृत्यु हुई। अतः हम ईश्वर से यह प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वर्ष 2021 हमारे लिए खुशी का वर्ष हो।
Everyone, my name is Mustafa Kamal from class 9B, and today in front of you all I am going to tell a speech on New Year Eve. We all had celebrated the New Year Eve every year, but the year 2020 was not just unprecedented but also the full of difficult times for many people. Due to coronavirus pandemic, while we have learned to live with an ongoing pandemic, it has also taught us to value what the most essential things in our life are, mainly the company of a supportive family and good friends. As 2020 comes to an end finally and we get ready to set into a new year. New Year Eve is one of the largest global celebrations because it marks the last day of the year in the Gregorian calendar, December 30th, the day before the New Year. So count down to the next year, New Year, no matter where you are in the world. Happy New Year Eve is a day mixed with feelings for many individuals. This is a time to celebrate the end of the year, welcome what is in store in the new year. You will find some people attending balls while others have costume parties. Some people also hold small gatherings or parties at their homes. Further, you will see firework display highlight this special day Eve celebration. New Year Eve is the last day of the year and the day before the new year. This marks the beginning of a new year as per the Gregorian calendar. Pope Gregory introduced this in 1582 and was adopted in some regions of Europe but was not used in different countries until even centuries later. It is crucial to record that not all culture follows the Gregorian calendar in observing the New Year Eve and New Year Day. For instance, the New Year in Islamic, Jewish, Coptic, Chinese, Hindu differs from that of the Gregorian calendar. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Aryan Pawar. I am from class 9B. I am now in front of everyone going to tell the speech. New Year is celebrated all over the world with great fun and enthusiasm. It is a special day for people and they welcome a coming year in their own way. People buy new clothes, gifts and different things from the market. Shops are full of the crowd on these days. January is celebration of New Year in India is a fun full of food, frolic and rituals. People celebrated it with music and dance. Children are very happy on this day as they get gifts and good food to enjoy. In India, the different communities celebrate their New Year on the different date according to their calendar, but overall it is a festival which shows happiness in people and spread joy everywhere. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Tyagi of class 9B. Due to this sudden COVID-19 outbreak, we are not able to go to school, but our school manages us to provide us online classes. Today I am here to talk about some merits and demerits of online classes. The online method of study has several advantages. It is very convenient as both you and your teacher can interact from the convenience of your respective homes. You can also ask questions and raise queries as you used to do in classrooms. The online study method become more important in case of natural calamity of emergency. The perfect example is disregard in the recent COVID-19 pandemic that the world is still recovering from. To date, many schools are running online classes for safety of students. Online study is indeed a safer alternative to school education. Disadvantages of online classes. Apart from numerous advantages, the online method of the study also presents certain disadvantages. It lacks the filled with enthusiasm kind of environment presented by a classroom. The lively and joyful of class is usually lacking in online sessions. Teachers and students interact with each other only on subject matter or one-by-one basis. Moreover, exposure to gadgets presents its own health hazards like headache, weak eyesight, and lack of concentration, etc. Despite the disadvantages, the online study